All languages have the concept of escaping characters. Now, what can happen here is, let's say you want to put quotes around the word you. Okay, that's fine, but you see the problem here. PHP is going to interpret this as syntax and think you are ending the string, when in fact you just want this to be a character inside your main string. So to unconfuse PHP, we need to put a backslash in front of both of the double quotes. That way PHP will only treat this as just a character and not syntax. But before we do that, let's send this output to the browser and see what happens. So we'll click on our lesson.php, and there you can see we got a parsing error, which was to be expected because PHP doesn't know what you're trying to do here. It sees all of these double quotes and doesn't know what's going on. And it even tells you, hey, the problem is in line 3 and there's an unexpected syntax error. And so that's a pretty good error message. It actually tells you where the problem is. So now what we need to do is unconfuse PHP. So let's go ahead and put in that backslash. So again, we need to put it in front of both of these quotes. So one right here and one right here. And you can see now the U changed colors. It's not bold anymore. It's just plain old text. So this should work. Let's go ahead and hit save. Let's hit refresh. And there you can see the quotes are now rendered correctly in the browser, and they actually appear the way we wanted them to appear. So this technique prevents PHP from ending your strings too early. By the way, this would also apply for single quotes. So if you had single quotes here, you would also need to put in this backslash to unconfuse PHP. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.